Hello, my name is Dr. Lucke-Wold. Today we'll be talking about stem cell implants, emerging innovation for stroke recovery. So a little bit of background: stroke is a debilitating neurovascular injury that can affect hundreds to thousands of individuals each year. Despite the high prevalence and morbidity and mortality, options for intervention and particularly focused on rehabilitation still remain limited. Stem cells have shown promise in stroke treatment due to their ability to self-renew. There are several different cell types that can be propagated. The primary source of the stem cells today are used from bone marrow and fetal brain tissue, with mesenchymal stem cells, bone marrow stem cells, and neural stem cells being particularly well studied. We'll go into some of those in detail. By secreting therapeutic and neurogenic substances, it's hypothesis that they can help foster recovery at site of injury. Delivery mechanisms include focused intravascular, intraperitoneal, intravenous, intraventricular, and intranasal routes, with radiographic imaging being used to monitor the progression of treatment. Stem cell implants have found to be safe, but optimal treatment strategies are still being investigated. Future efforts should focus on really looking at improved efficacy and exploring alternative stem cell sources as well as administration routes. So here's a little bit of the background. Primarily, bone marrow has been used with stem cells. The delivery of the stem cell derivatives can be focused to regions of interest, particularly in the far reaches of the cortex, and can have integration with the secretion of neurotrophic factors to form new functional connections. In preclinical studies, the delivery through nanoparticle preparation as well as through exosomes has been efficacious. It really collects the stem cells from a peripheral source and inject it to focal regions within the brain. Some of the stereotaxic work has also been applied to humans with good early success. Here are some of the ongoing trials. These are being done in Indonesia, China, Vietnam, some in the USA, as well as Argentina, Taiwan, Iran. All expected to have some results in the next several years. There are some work being done in the UAE as well. Looking at overall outcomes, some of those are expected this year with different administration routes. In terms of these exosome functioning, these can be used with nanomedicine. They can really be focused on these 30 to 150 nanomolar extracellular vesicles that can transmit cargo to other cells and really focus on regenerative medicine. So in conclusion, stroke remains a very debilitating and costly disease. Intervention is important, and really focusing on stem cell treatments is ideal. In vitro and in vivo studies have demonstrated initial promising results with bone marrow stem cells. There's neural pregen cells that have been used as well, and further studies are on the horizon. We should have the results of several of these international studies within the next couple years, which can really guide our further treatment. Again, focusing on administration route as well as type of stem cell will be topics of further discussion.